What is going on, guys? It's been a while, a couple weeks. A little update on the RS. Got about 500 miles on the thing. Been running good. Had a little snafu with our power steering pump. I said in the last video, ordered this kit to fix it. This is a JDM pump. JDM pumps do not fit on a US engine. I tried rebuilding that pump. Failed miserably. Whatever eBay listing this was on said it fit my power steering pump. It does not. Also ordered a brand new OEM throttle cable because the other night in Mexico on vacation, skip to, broke that line in there. There is, you're not gonna see it, there's like a little, I don't know, screw inside of a brass fitting. It's almost like a homemade deal. That stripped out of there. Thought I was being smart, ordered a new line, spent 80 bucks on all this OEM crap. None of it works. Just had to fix the old one. Lesson learned. Just make your own crap. Also, no more rice pipe. Got an autocross tomorrow. I'm gonna pull that pump out. I picked up that one here. Thanks Thomas for supplying me with this free 99 pump. Ever have those blonde moments? I'm not just saying that because I love Starbucks. But I didn't think this would fit because it's recessed in there. God, I'm such an idiot. You literally just need to take that off and the JDM pump would work. Oh my God. I got the pump on there. I feel so dumb because I could have used that other pump. But I had to bend this line this way to clear around the reserve pickup. I'm not sure if I had the original RS one on here or not, because that's what came with the car. But it seems to be working now. We'll see how it goes in the morning. Power steering pump was finally a success. Got it in last night. I've really got to do something about this. This is a mess. This is from the WRX and doesn't belong in here. It doesn't fit in here. It'll get changed eventually, but for today's autocross, it'll work. I'm just gonna do a little pre-check. Check over the oil. We're about midway. So I'm just gonna add a little bit, but oil looks good. Granted, it only has 500 miles on it. I'll probably change it after today, just because, again, this engine, history unknown. Better make sure I fill up my intercooler sprayer and unplug the wipers. This is kind of a ghetto way to do it, but honestly, it really worked when I used it last time on the track, so I'm going to continue to use it. Golden Sands Speedway. Yes, this is a circle track, but it's local, it's cheap, and it's track time, so it's a lot of fun. Dana, what are we doing today?
We're going racing.
Going racing. We're gonna try to race at least. It's a low turnout for today, which means lots of runs. Oh, the only bad thing about autocrossing is you gotta work the course. But a smart autocrosser picks the easiest corner that never gets cones hit. Get me out of here! Looks so uneventful when you're watching cars on course than when you're actually in the car. Alright, boys and girls, time for E2. Hopefully nothing breaks today.
Okay.
39 on your first run?
Yeah, I hate being stuck behind you. Because my car gets hot when I sit.
Oh, yeah. Man, I got a 40.4 as my fastest run. You get a 39.9 on your first. Is it clean?
No. No, it wasn't.
Yeah.
One thing I noticed you're doing when you come up, when you're coming up then up high.
I know, I just think I gotta come back
Correct.
down.
Every run you've done, you've
I know, I'm like,
left.
fuck, I did it again.
I don't know if it's wife, girlfriend, whoever's in the blue Subaru. She's doing the exact same thing.
Yeah?
It's only you guys are the only
Because I
ones
think
doing
that's
it.
how they always set it up before. So
Oh.
I'm just like memorized in my brain. How am I doing?
Good to go.
I officially hate S2000s. Alright guys, that's a wrap on today. I ran a 11 out of 40 drivers. It was a 38 175. There's more in the car, but it's getting a little squirrely out there. It's a good day when you race all day long and the sun goes down when you're leaving the track. So I'd like to early announce I've got a new project started. It's not a Subaru, it's way more unreliable. You can take your guesses at what that may be, but I'm going to pick it up tomorrow. So hit that like button and tune in next time.